I remember the old days of travel. We were pioneers in our own right. Our tools were simple but essential. A giant, crinkly paper map was our best friend. It was folded into a dozen squares. You could never quite get it back to its original shape. We'd trace our routes with a finger, often smudging the ink. A well-worn guidebook, its pages dog-eared and highlighted, was our Bible. Now think about today. It's a different world. All that information, all that planning, now fits in your pocket. A tiny glowing rectangle holds everything. Maps, guidebooks, train schedules, hotel reservations, restaurant reviews are all there. They are just a tap away. We've traded the weight of paper for the lightness of pixels. The uncertainty of the road has been replaced by the precision of GPS. It's a monumental shift. It has completely changed how we experience our planet. The magic of travel is still there. It just has a new, digital heartbeat. Imagine standing in the Roman Forum. The ruins are majestic, but they are just stones. They are silent witnesses to a forgotten time. You can read your guidebook. You can try to picture what it was like 2,000 years ago. But it's hard. Now let's add a little modern magic. You hold up your smartphone or a pair of special glasses. Suddenly the world changes. Through your screen, the ruins are no longer ruins. Walls rise from the rubble, roofs appear on the temples. The Basilica Aemilia is whole again, bustling with merchants and citizens. You see digital ghosts of ancient Romans walking the Via Sacra. This is augmented reality, or AR. It overlays digital information onto the real world. It doesn't take you out of the moment, it puts you deeper inside it. It's a powerful tool for turning a simple sightseeing trip into a deep, educational journey. In the past, a good watch simply told time. Maybe it had a compass on the band if you were lucky. It was a reliable but limited companion. Today the watch on your wrist is so much more. It's a GPS wearable, a tiny command center for your travels. It's your map. It's your health monitor. It's your communication device all in one. When you're wandering through the winding streets of Venice, you don't need to pull out your phone at every intersection. A gentle buzz on your wrist tells you when to turn left or right. Your eyes stay up, focused on the beauty around you. This hands-free navigation is a simple but profound change. It allows you to be more present. You're looking at the architecture, the people, the life of the city. These smartwatches can also track your journey. Your boarding pass can be on your wrist. A quick scan and you're through the gate. It's a small piece of technology that gives you a great deal of freedom and confidence as you navigate the globe. There's a new anxiety in the modern traveler's life. It's not about missing a train or losing a passport, it's the fear of a dead battery. Smartphones, cameras, GPS devices, they are our lifelines. When that little battery icon turns red, a sense of panic can set in. Finding a power outlet in a foreign cafe feels like finding an oasis. You huddle around it, waiting for your device to get just enough juice. This is where the portable charger or power bank becomes the unsung hero of modern travel. This simple gadget is a travel essential. I never leave home without one. It's a small, dense brick of pure potential. It's the freedom to spend a full day exploring without worry. You can be on a long train ride through the Italian countryside, snapping photos, listening to music, knowing you have hours of power in your bag. Ultimately, a portable charger is an investment in peace of mind. You are free to wander, to explore, and to embrace the journey, fully charged and ready for whatever comes next. For decades, the travel camera was, well, a pretty bulky affair. SLR, a heavy lens, a bag full of film canisters. You had to be deliberate with every shot because each click of the shutter had a cost. Today, our ability to document travel has totally exploded. We have these powerful cameras right in our pockets, capable of shooting stunning photos and high-definition video. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Drones, smart cameras? Drones have given us a perspective we could only dream of before. The bird's-eye view. Imagine flying a tiny camera over the dramatic cliffs of Ireland or along the winding coastline of Greece. You can capture the scale and majesty of a landscape in a way that's just impossible from the ground. A drone shot of you standing on a mountain peak or walking along an empty beach tells a story that a simple selfie never could. It adds this cinematic, epic quality to your travel videos. These new tools encourage us to be more creative storytellers. Documenting your travels becomes part of the fun. It pushes you to see the world in new ways and to capture not just what you saw, but how it felt to be there. Travel opens your eyes to new perspectives and unforgettable moments. One of the greatest joys of travel is connecting with local people. There's a special magic in sharing a smile, a story, or a meal with someone from a different culture. But it can also be, honestly, one of the biggest challenges. I remember my first trip to Japan, standing in a bustling train station trying to buy a ticket, and realizing I couldn't read a single sign. The language barrier is a real wall. Sometimes all you can do is point, smile, and hope for the best. I once ordered what I thought was a simple sandwich in Paris, only to end up with a plate of snails. We all laughed, and it became a story I still tell today. A few words from a phrasebook, a gesture, or a shared laugh can go a long way. But it's hard to have a real conversation, to truly understand each other. You miss out on the stories, the jokes, and the deeper cultural understanding. Sometimes it can leave you feeling isolated, like you're looking at the culture through a glass window. Over the years, technology has tried to help. I remember carrying a tiny electronic translator in the early 2000s. It was slow, clunky, and often hilariously wrong. Once it translated "where's the bathroom" as "where does the water sleep?" The shopkeeper and I both burst out laughing. Today things are different. Enter the real-time translation earbud and smartphone app. These tiny gadgets are changing the way we connect. You and another person each wear a small earbud, or you both speak into a phone. You speak in your own language, and almost instantly, the other person hears a translation in theirs. Suddenly, you can have a real conversation with a shopkeeper in Tokyo, a taxi driver in Lisbon, or a new friend on a train in Italy. These moments are powerful. I once chatted with a grandmother in a small Spanish village about her garden thanks to a translation app. We shared stories, recipes, and even a few tears. It turned a simple encounter into a lifelong memory. Real-time translation breaks down that language wall, turning a barrier into a bridge. It opens doors to deeper understanding and genuine connection. Of course, technology isn't perfect. Sometimes translations are a little off and you end up with funny misunderstandings, but those moments often lead to the best stories and the warmest laughter. And nothing beats the joy of learning a few local phrases. Even a simple thank you or hello in the local language can light up someone's face and open hearts. The future is even brighter. AI-powered translation is getting smarter every year. Soon, we may be able to have seamless, natural conversations with anyone, anywhere, in any language. Imagine a world where language is never a barrier, where every traveler feels at home and every local feels understood. It's a powerful tool for building a more connected world, one conversation at a time. Adventure often means pushing your boundaries. It means hiking into the wilderness. It means sailing across open water. It means exploring remote corners of the globe. These experiences are thrilling, but they also come with risks. Getting lost or injured in an area without cell service can be a life-threatening situation. For generations, explorers relied on maps, compasses, and hope. If something went wrong, you were on your own. Your safety net was thin, and the stakes were incredibly high. Today, technology offers a powerful safety net. Satellite communicators are a prime example. These handheld devices are a lifeline to the outside world. They work anywhere on the planet, using satellites instead of cell towers. You can send and receive text messages, get weather forecasts, and, most importantly, trigger an SOS signal in an emergency. Pressing that button sends your exact GPS coordinates to a 24/7 emergency response center which can dispatch help. Knowing you have this capability in your pack provides incredible peace of mind for you and for your loved ones back home. They give you the confidence to say yes to new experiences, knowing you have a technological guardian angel watching over you. For a long time, travel planning was a one-size-fits-all affair. Guidebooks gave the same top 10 lists to everyone. Travel agents worked from a familiar playbook. Your trip was shaped by popular opinion, not by your personal passions. The experience felt generic, not tailored to who you are. Now, artificial intelligence or AI is changing the game. It's becoming your personal travel genie. Smartphone screens showing a personalized travel itinerary created by an AI, with suggestions for unique restaurants and off-the-beaten-path attractions. AI-powered apps and websites learn your preferences. Do you love modern art? Are you a foodie who seeks out street food stalls? Are you an avid hiker who prefers challenging trails? The AI takes this information and crafts a personalized itinerary just for you. This hyper-personalization extends to your time on the ground. Imagine walking through a city. Your AI-powered virtual guide can send you real-time suggestions based on your location and the time of day. It might say, "There's a fantastic little bakery 2 blocks from you that's famous for its croissants. They just came out of the oven." It feels like having a savvy local friend in your pocket, guiding you to authentic and timely experiences. The future of travel is this beautiful synergy between intelligent technology and limitless connectivity. It promises a world where every journey is perfectly tailored to the traveler, making exploration more personal, spontaneous, and rewarding than ever before.